fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Bday shoes. These are my favorite shoes that I found in these streets, and I'm going to be showing you today how I'm be slaying these streets in these bad old shoes. If you are new, consider subscribing and hit the bell next to it. Make a ding so you won't miss a thing. Alright, let's get this birthday party started. So first are these blue Suede boots I secured at Forever 21. Yes, and I will have the link below. I think that was just $20, if not cheaper, because they were on sale. So yes, this is perfect. It's getting cold, so this girl, and they comfortable. Get these, okay. Okay, so these beauties, these Dorothy's Honey Snap Snap Pork Crunch, okay, with the Vibes tees. Yes, I got these from Miss Lola, formerly known as Lola Shoutique. I got these beauties, and you know I got some silver ones too like this. But yes, I got the black ones, pink and green stones all over, honey. Disco ball, who needs one when you got these shoes? Bloop. So these babies, you go out to dinner with Zaddy, right? Or your homegirls for your birthday dinner, whatever. But yes, Miss Lola, once again, she got you, honey. And I got them in black too. But yes, this match everything. Dresses up and down with jeans and a nice top or a dress. We got you. So these were so cute. And you can always get 25% off at Miss Lola. So this is where I got this from. These booties, yes, you know snake season is in, okay? So these are like pink, magenta, and orange, and black snakeskin booties. I had to get them. And yes, they are from Fashion Nova. They were really affordable, and I cannot wait to style this up with my looks. So, sis, get these, okay? I pray they still got them. And you know they always got a discount code, so just Google around. Alright, girl. Honey, yes, neck breakers. Every time you pass somebody, that's exactly what you're going to do with these shoes. Break their necks, okay? These are from ALDO, and they are just, oh my God, they're so pretty, like 3 different colors. Blue, yellow, orange, green, that's 4. But this is dope. I had to secure this during their sale. So yes, if they still have these, sis, dress this up with your browns, your golds, and all the above. This is a statement shoe, and you know I'm gonna make one. So yeah, ALDO. Alright, CC fam, so that concludes my Bday shoes. I hope you all enjoyed. I have all the links below. Always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. Alright, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time.